good, Charlie. Tell them more. Tell them. They want to know about you, Charlie. I like cats. You don't like cats, Charlie. No, I like cats. I like them with cheese. I like them sauteed. I like them with soy sauce.
You sure you got it? You don't have to do it. No, I don't want to do it. Okay. You can back out if you want to. Oh, no, I'm going to do it. Okay.
You ever notice that if you show them a ball, no matter what you do with the ball, they keep their eyes on the ball? Did you ever notice that? Dogs love balls. They like to play with the balls. They love balls. Charlie?
Yeah.
Do you want to play with this ball?
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm a mom.
You're a mom. Yes, okay. What do you like to do?
I like to dance.
Oh, you like to dance.
Can I show you how?
You want to show us how you dance?
Yes, I do. There it goes. Come on now.
Anything you want to know? Yes, sir.
Can you dance for me again?
I'm getting tired. But I'm gonna do it anyway.
Oh, we gotta do something. What do you mean we gotta do something? We got to rescue that candy bar. Rescue it? Yeah, that candy bar is in danger. Danger? Yeah. It's in danger of being eaten or sold or melted. We got to do something.